Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is gonna be a home update and you already know what that means. We're gonna be switching, changing, rearranging a lot of things up in this house. We have a lot of home decor that I wanna share. We also hired some professionals that are gonna be coming later this week to spruce things up. If you've seen the last home update video, then you already know what we're doing this week. We have new pieces coming in the mail. Lots of things happening in today's video. It's gonna be an all-encompassing home update. So make sure you grab a snack, get a little drinky drink, and if that sounds like something you're interested in, if you wanna hang out with us today, see what we update around our house, then please just keep on watching. Okay guys, I know it is a running joke on this channel that we always have broken glass on the channel, but you guys, we have more broken glass on the channel. Ignore our backyard. That's something that we're sprucing up in this video. It's gonna get a makeover. But I don't know if you could definitely see there is a crack in our actual window. Never mind the fact that the windows need to be washed. Look at this crack right here. Y'all need to come get your nephew because he broke a window. I guess this is like my introduction to boy mom life. I don't know. But yeah, he broke a window and we are going to have a glass company come out and measure. We are obviously replacing this. The kids are not allowed to come back here because it's literally exposed. So yeah, that I guess is like the first home update that needs to happen. They're coming today to measure. We're getting new glass, but hey, a home update is a home update. This is part of the home. This is the update.
All right, you guys, we're in Briella's bathroom getting ready to change out the old faucet for a new one to update the look of the bathroom and give the sink a fresh, vibrant feel. Hopefully something that Briella will like and hopefully that you guys like. So if you do, make sure you click the like button. And as usual, Kara will have everything linked down below in the description for you, so you don't have to worry about it on that front. So let's get to it.
Okay guys, so really quickly, I wanted to do a home decor haul. If you have been following me for a while, and really if you follow me on Instagram, then you would have seen me talk about the White Company. It's basically like an online retailer that sells beautiful, timeless pieces from home decor. They have some bath products. They honestly have everything. They have like loungewear as well, but everything is just very white. It's very crisp. It's very clean, timeless. I say this all the time, but this is the perfect place to shop. If you are shopping for like your in-laws, your mother, like your mother-in-law, or even your own mother, the White Company has like everything you need. So yeah, this part is not sponsored, but I thought I'd share here on YouTube because I talk about them on Instagram all the time. Okay, so first up is this candle holder. I think this is beautiful. I love the wooden base on this. I just put a candle in from HomeGoods and I think it's gorgeous. When it's lit up, the candle really glows and it's just so pretty, you guys. Like, I'm telling you, all of these pieces are not trendy. If you are not a trendy person, you don't want to keep up with trends, I feel you. You feel like you're shopping at the same like 3 places for your home decor. Check out the White Company. They have like so many different things. This vase is also from the White Company, not the stems inside. These are a Target find. But this vase right here, again, just very timeless. I feel like this could go with so many different home decor styles. It's just a beautiful vase. You could put real flowers in this. For the sake of the video and just to demonstrate it, I put faux ones, but real ones with water would just be so beautiful. Then this serving tray. I think this is perfect for summer. It just screams summer to me with like the rattan woven material. You could put like, I don't know, like I'm just picturing like a blueberry lemon cake on here, like something very summer. And I think this would be really nice for entertainment. And speaking of entertainment, these glasses over here, again, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen all this, but I just wanted to share it a second time through. I love these glasses. I think these are so cute. I love the shape of these. This might lean a little bit more trendy, but still, I think these are beautiful. I love it. I'm just picturing a really cute fruit fruity pink drink in here for the summer. For entertaining would be really cute. Again, for summer, these coasters just fit the vibe. It really matches with this tray, sort of. I mean, it's still like kind of like that woven material. I think these are really, really nice. All of this kind of reminds me of like outdoor dining, and I think it's just really pretty. These napkins right here are another White Company find. They sent me these obviously, and I think they're just really pretty. All of this is just so nice, such great quality. Had to get a coffee table book, The Art of Living with White. Okay, so this cover really reminds me of their website. So if you've never been on the White Company's website, this is kind of what you can expect. Everything is very white, glass, very like bright, crisp. It's really beautiful. Like everything on the website is gorgeous. So I had to pick up this coffee table book. You can never have too many. So these are just a couple of the things, my recent finds from the White Company. Again, like I said, if you want more White Company inspo, head over to my Instagram because I want to say maybe 5 sponsored reels from the White Company. They are quite a dear friend. And so yeah, you guys, I will link all these things down below. Definitely check out the White Company. If, like I said, you're shopping at the same places, try this place out because they have such cute things. Okay, you guys, so ignore the laundry in the back. It's kind of loud, but we are adding these paper towel holders on the back of the cabinet door in every bathroom. So Rob's doing that now. They look like this. I will link them down below. Every single bathroom is gonna have this. It's just basically a paper towel holder so that when you open the door, your paper towel holder is right there. It doesn't take up space on your counter because we're working with very little space over here, especially in our bathrooms. So it's just handy to have. So yeah, Rob.
I'm gonna get into it.
I just slow panned up you.
It's okay.
Hey.
Hey.
So Rob's gonna do that now, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's all complete. And he's also gonna switch the faucet here in RG's bathroom, just like he did Briella's. I mean, he is just a jack of all trades. He's getting it done over here.
I'm trying.
Yeah, appreciate you. So we'll check back in when it's done. All right, you guys, so we are in the pantry. You all said you loved the organization, so I'm gonna try to organize all of these Ziploc bags. I have parchment paper, aluminum foil, trash bags, like all this miscellaneous stuff. And then I also purchased these wooden dividers and organizers, so I plan on just putting them in here, making it all cute and organized. So yeah, let's do it. Is what's going on. These size, I think there's a gallon, I don't even know. These size didn't all fit in here, so I just have them on the side. Is it 100% perfect? No, but you know what? It's livable. When we pull things to zip up, it'll be fine. This is exactly why you measure, because I definitely thought I could fit 2 in here. I can't. I do have other drawers in the pantry, so I could very well like get another one of these or figure something else out. Maybe get, I don't know, I have to measure and see what can fit here and make it work. But so far, this is what we have going on. The trash can bags are gonna be kept in our cleaning closet instead of in here, because what I wanted this to be for was just like food storage type things, not necessarily trash. All of our trash baskets and cleaning things are in a separate closet. So I'm gonna take these over here. I would say it was, I guess, like half and half, and a success and a fail, because these didn't fit, the parchment paper didn't fit. I just have to find another area for that. It's not a problem, but this is what we're working with. This is a real life type of organization, and I think it turned out really, really cute still. Okay, you guys, so I got all new like kitchen towels, drying like towels, I guess, and oven mitts, like a whole bunch of like kitchen things that I want to organize into baskets and put back in the pantry. So I figured we could unbox them. our kitchen stuff, so I want to organize them into these baskets. I've had these baskets for a really long time, so I was like, I'm gonna just put them to use. I'm gonna use what I already have. Okay, you guys, the back patio has officially been updated. It looks beautiful. Tony left, I want to say yesterday. I think he finished yesterday, and it looks incredible. So if you're ready to see the backyard patio makeover, I mean, how many makeovers have I done on this channel? But if you're ready to see, let's get a countdown going in 3, 2, 1. Hallelujah. Oh my gosh, you guys, I absolutely love it. I think it looks so good. The tile is fixed at the bottom. The base of the wooden poles are completely fixed. I absolutely love the fan that we have up here. I mean, everything is just upgraded. I feel like the main difference is the roof. This is definitely the type of roof I wish we had put on in the first place. I love the color. It matches so nice with the siding on our house. It just really blends in. It looks like it was made with the home now. The plastic was beautiful, and it was nice being able to, like see. The idea was there to be able to see outside and, see the stars at night. That's all well and good. But where we live down south, it just gets way too hot. It is way too hot, and the sun was just beating on us. So now having this covering, it's gonna be so nice. Once it stops raining, you can tell it's like wet over here because it has been raining nonstop for the past couple of weeks, and I've put this video off long enough. But yeah, I love it. I can't wait to come out here and relax. We obviously don't have our cushions here on the couch as well because, again, it was raining. We cleared off a lot of things on this patio just to make it more aesthetic and functional. The fan up here is beautiful, this white and gold. I absolutely love it. I went back and forth on whether or not I should have a light on this fan, but I ultimately went with not having it, obviously, because if you know me, no overhead lighting. I do not like overhead lighting, so if anything, maybe I can get spotlights like behind the trees or something like that. But yeah, you guys, I absolutely love it. Here's some different angles. You can kind of see what it looks like in the back of our house. Got this made over. Definitely got to get rid of those command hooks over there. We had string lights. Not going to be doing string lights. This looks way too pretty. And yeah, I'm just really, really happy with it.